Hello and welcome to this Digital Camera Magazine video tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to take a look at how to straighten horizons and then to crop the image ready for printing to a predetermined size. Okay, here we've got a perfectly good landscape taken down in Woolacombe. Unfortunately at the moment the horizon is at a slight tilt, the right hand side is slightly higher than the left. And what we want to do is just to use the transform tool just to rotate the image slightly, straightening out that horizon. So as always, to get started we're going to just duplicate the background, create our new background copy layer, and then we go to image and transform and select the distort tool. And before we start playing around with the distort tool and trying to line up the horizon by eye, we're actually going to use the Photoshop grid, so we've got something to line the horizon against. So if you go up to View, down to Grid, and you'll see the grid appear on screen. Now if we go over to one of the drag points on the distort box which surrounds that layer, we just drag that down slightly until we've got a straight horizon, and because we've got the grid it's a lot easier to line up than just by doing that by eye. When we're happy with that, we'll just click the tick button and just go to View and turn off our grid. So we can now see that we've got a much straighter horizon on the adjusted image. Now that we've done that, we want to crop that ready for printing. So we go over to our crop tool, which you're probably familiar with, but up in where it says aspect ratio, we're going to select a paper size. So in this case we're going to go for a standard 4x6. So we've got our width at 6 inches, our height at 4 inches, and we have a resolution of 300 dpi, which will be good for printing. Now to print that, it's a simple case of using the crop tool just to make your selection for your crop, click the tick, and now we've got an image which is exactly 6 inches across by 4 inches down at 300 dpi, which is absolutely perfect for printing. So quite simply, that's a very quick and easy way to correct wonky horizons and then to crop and resize your image ready for printing. We just compare that with the original. There's not a great deal of difference there, but we've now got a straight horizon rather than something that's slightly wonky and off tilt.